Hi everyone, a very good evening to all. Now we are going to study about the question number 96 that is related to progressive wave. So what is the equation of a progressive wave? When you consider a progressive wave, the displacement variation we represent like this so that this is one complete vibration and the distance traveled by the wave is wavelength in one time period or one wavelength. And such wave started from one point and moving continuously, propagating continuously in one direction is called progressive wave. And that y equal to a sine omega t plus or minus kx. And omega t plus kx means along negative x-axis and omega t minus kx means along positive x-axis. That is the general equation of a wave. I mean displacement of a wave where A is the amplitude. And when you consider a wave propagates like this and the particles will vibrate like this or the particles may vibrate like this. And this is the case we call it as longitudinal wave and this is the case we call it as transverse wave. Transverse wave means vibration is perpendicular to direction of propagation. Longitudinal means propagation is along the direction of vibration of the particles. That is what the difference. Now, what are the parameters associated with a wave? So, as we have taken y equal to a sine omega t plus or minus kx, a is amplitude. Amplitude means maximum displacement. Omega equal to 2 pi by t, that is angular frequency. So where t is called time period and number of revolutions per 1 second, 1 by t is called frequency. Omega is angular frequency, f is frequency. K equal to 2 pi by lambda, wave number, and lambda is called wavelength. Now speed of a wave is given by distance traveled by time period. So lambda f, that is also equal to omega by k. This is the speed formula. Now based on this thing, usually they will ask the questions. Now if you want the particle velocity Vp equal to dy by dt equal to a omega cos omega t plus or minus kx. And slope of the dy by dx means slope of the wave, that will become minus plus or minus ak cos omega t minus kx. So these are all the things usually based on which they can ask the question. Also sometimes they will give the data and they will ask you to find the equation of a progressive wave. That thing also they can ask. Now, what is the speed of longitudinal and transverse wave? So, speed of longitudinal wave is given by root of E by rho, where E is modulus of elasticity, rho is density of medium, solid or liquid or gas, anything. Now V equal to under root Y by rho, this is solids. In case of solids, modulus of elasticity means Young's modulus will come, or B by rho. This is in case of liquids. In case of liquids, bulk modulus will come and V equal to P by rho. This is in case of gases. But later it corrected as gamma P by rho. This is Laplace correction. So V equal to under root gamma P by rho, that is also equal to under root gamma PV by M, or that is also equal to gamma nRT by M. Now for n equal to 1 mole, the speed will become gamma RT by m, because for 1 mole mass will become molecular mass. So that is what you need to remember. And in case of transverse wave in stretched string. Stretched string, when you consider, the speed formula is under root T by mu, where mu is mass per unit length. So the speed will become TL by m, or mass equal to volume into density AL rho, implies speed also will become under root T by A into rho. So these are the formulas for speed of longitudinal wave, nothing but sound wave in A, sound wave, and speed of transverse wave, nothing but transverse wave in stretched string. So remember all these formulas, they can ask the question. Now here we see few examples. First, the displacement of a particle executing simple harmonic motion from its mean position is given as, so x equal to 0.5 sine 10 pi t plus 1.5 pi cos 10 pi t plus 1.5 pi. You multiply with 2, divide with 2, then x equal to 0.5 by 2 times. See, 2 sine theta cos theta will become sine 2 theta. So it will become 200 pi t plus 3 pi. Now if you compare this with A sine omega t plus pi. Now they are asking what the ratio of the maximum velocity to the maximum acceleration. So maximum velocity equal to A into omega. Maximum acceleration is omega square A. Now the ratio of V maximum to A maximum means 1 by omega will become. Now 1 by omega means omega is what is there in the place of omega? 200 pi is there. So 1 by 200 pi is there. Oh, not 200, sorry, this is only 10. So 20 pi. So it will become only 20 pi. So this is what. See, actually it is related to simple harmonic motion. But similar equation they can give for the waves, and they can ask the same thing like acceleration or velocity or displacement or omega, anything, by comparing it with the general equation. Now here a transverse wave whose amplitude is 0.5 meter, wavelength is 1 meter, and frequency is 2 hertz, is traveling along positive positive x direction. So the equation of this wave will be, now positive means y equal to a sine omega t plus minus kx, positive x axis means. So that here first amplitude. So amplitude they have given as it is 0.5 meter. So all options are having 0.5 only. Now omega equal to 2 pi by t or 2 pi f, 1 by time period. So that 2 pi into 2 omega will become 4 pi. Now here see, the equation also can be written as a sine kx minus omega t also. Now here they have given kx minus omega t form. So omega is 4 pi. Now k equal to how much? 2 pi by lambda. So 2 pi by lambda is 1. So 2 pi. So kx minus omega t. So that means this is the equation. So y equal to a is 0.5 sine omega t. Omega t means 4 pi t minus kx 2 pi x, or else 2 pi x minus 4 pi t. See, here options are slight uh, difference is there. I think they have given wrong options. So this is what the correct option, or else you can take kx minus omega t, so that but options are different. I mean, the little bit different they have given, so they are wrong. So please take it. This is the correct answer. Now, next question. The phase of a particle P1 at time t is 70 and phase of the particle P2 at time t is 790. What is the wavelength if the distance between P1 and P2 is 1 meter? So the relation between phase difference and path difference is delta pi equal to 2 pi by lambda into delta x. Now the distance between them means path difference is 1 meter and the phase difference delta pi equal to 790 degree. I think 79 degree I am feeling. So 79 minus 70 is 9 degrees. So that delta pi will become 9 degree. If you convert it into radian, pi by 180. So pi by 20. Now if you substitute it, delta pi is pi by 20 equal to 2 pi by lambda into 1. Pi cancel. So lambda equal to 40. No. Okay. So answer is not coming means let it be like 790 only. If it is 790, this will become 720. So this is now 720. Now radian means pi by 180. 0, 0 cancel. Now it will become 4 pi. 18 fours are. So that okay. Now delta pi is 4 pi equal to 2 pi by lambda into delta x1. So lambda equal to then 1 by 2. So lambda will become 0.5 meter. Now it is correct. Next. In brass, the velocity of longitudinal wave is 100 times the velocity of transverse wave. So velocity of longitudinal wave means under root y by rho. Velocity of transverse wave means under root t by mu or under root t by a into rho. Then the stress in the wire they are asking. Stress means they are asking to find stress, that is force by area. Now how can we find it? Here let's take this is V1, this is V2. Now velocity of longitudinal wave V1 is 100 times velocity of transverse wave. So that under root y by rho equal to 100 times under root t by a rho. Then square both sides. Y by rho equal to 10 power 4 into t by a into rho. Rho get cancelled. then t equal to y by 10 power 4, sorry, t by a equal to y by 10 power 4. Y is 10 power 11 by 10 power 4. So it will become 10 power 7 Newton per meter square. Now, next question is string of length 10 meter and mass. Length is 10 meter and mass is 1.25 kg. Stretched with a tension T equal to 50 Newton. If a transverse pulse is created at one end of the string, how long does it take to reach the other end? Now the speed will become under root T by mu, nothing but under root TL by M. So that T is 50, L is 10 and M is 1.25. 1.25 point if goes will come. Now 25 5s are 25 2s are 5 2s are 0 0. Now V will become under root 400 means 20 meter per second. Now it has to take some time from one end to another means it has to travel total 10 meter with a speed 20. That means 1 by 2, nothing but 0.5 second. So they are asking time. So general formula for time is distance by speed. So indirectly you have to understand that first you have to find speed, then you have to divide the length with the speed so that you will get the time taken to travel from one end to another end. So like that, the question can be asked based on the progressive wave equations, parameters associated, and speed of longitudinal and transverse wave on stretched string. So similar questions I have given as an assignment. So just try to understand and try to solve it. So thank you all. Will continue in the coming class with the another question.